Leading versus managing, why knowing the difference matters. Leadership and management are essential for any successful endeavor. While often used interchangeably, they represent distinct skill sets. Understanding the difference can unlock your potential, improve team performance, and drive organizational success. This video explores the nuances of leadership and management, providing insights into their unique characteristics and how they complement each other. Recognizing the difference is crucial for individual growth and organizational effectiveness. By understanding these concepts, individuals can identify their strengths and areas for development. This awareness empowers individuals to seek opportunities that align with their skill sets and aspirations. For organizations, understanding the difference enables the creation of balanced teams where leaders and managers collaborate effectively. This balance ensures that there is direction and structure, fostering a thriving and productive work environment. Ultimately, comprehending the difference between leadership and management is not just about semantics. It's about fostering a culture of success, driven by inspired individuals working together towards a common goal. The art of leadership inspiring vision and action. Leadership, at its core, is about inspiring others to work towards a shared vision. Leaders paint a compelling picture of the future and motivate their team to overcome challenges and achieve ambitious goals. They are driven by a strong sense of purpose and effectively communicate their vision, igniting passion and commitment in others. Effective leaders possess qualities such as empathy, integrity, and courage. They listen attentively to their team members, understand their perspectives, and build strong relationships based on trust and respect. They lead by example, demonstrating their commitment to the shared vision through their actions. Leaders are comfortable with change and embrace innovation. They encourage experimentation and are not afraid to take calculated risks to drive progress. Their ability to adapt and guide their teams through uncertainty is crucial in today's rapidly changing world. By fostering a positive and supportive environment, leaders empower their teams to reach their full potential. They recognize and celebrate achievements, providing constructive feedback to foster continuous growth and development. Leaders inspire, motivate, and empower, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond themselves. The science of management, processes, and people. Management focuses on the practical aspects of achieving organizational goals through efficient processes and effective people management. Managers excel at planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling resources to optimize productivity and achieve desired outcomes. Effective managers are highly organized and detail-oriented. They create clear plans, delegate tasks effectively, and monitor progress closely. Their ability to break down complex projects into manageable tasks ensures that work is completed efficiently and to a high standard. Managers are skilled communicators and excel at building strong relationships with their team members. They provide clear instructions, set expectations, and offer regular feedback to ensure everyone is aligned and working towards the same objectives. They are also adept at problem-solving and conflict resolution. They can quickly identify and address issues, make informed decisions, and implement solutions to keep projects on track. Their ability to maintain a calm and focused demeanor, even under pressure, inspires confidence in their team. Two sides of the same coin, comparing leadership and management. While distinct in their approaches, leadership and management are interconnected and complementary. Leaders set the vision, and managers ensure it becomes a reality. Understanding their key differences is crucial for leveraging both skill sets effectively. Focus. Leaders focus on the big picture, inspiring and motivating towards a shared vision. Managers concentrate on the day-to-day operations, ensuring tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. Approach. Leaders often adopt a transformational approach, challenging the status quo and driving innovation. Managers typically employ a transactional approach, focusing on maintaining order and consistency within existing structures. Risk tolerance. Leaders tend to be more comfortable with taking calculated risks to achieve ambitious goals. Managers are more risk-averse, prioritizing stability and predictability. Time orientation. Leaders have a long-term perspective, focusing on the future impact of their decisions. Managers are more present-oriented, concentrating on immediate goals and short-term objectives. Recognizing these differences allows individuals and organizations to leverage the strengths of both leadership and management. By fostering an environment where both skill sets are valued and developed, organizations can create a powerful synergy that drives success. Building your skill set, becoming a leader and a manager. Developing both leadership and management skills is essential for personal and professional growth. While some individuals may naturally gravitate towards one or the other, cultivating both skill sets can significantly enhance your career trajectory and make you a more valuable asset to any team. Start by identifying your strengths and weaknesses in each area. Are you naturally drawn towards inspiring others, or do you excel at organizing and managing tasks? Once you have a clear understanding of your natural inclinations, you can focus on developing the skills that need improvement. Seek out opportunities to practice and refine your leadership and management skills. Volunteer for leadership roles in community organizations or take on additional responsibilities at work. Enroll in workshops, seminars, or online courses that focus on developing specific skills, such as communication, delegation, or conflict resolution. Observing and learning from experienced leaders and managers is invaluable. Look for mentors within your organization or network who can provide guidance and support as you develop your skills. Pay attention to their approach, communication style, and decision-making processes. Finally, be patient and persistent in your development journey. Mastering leadership and management takes time and effort. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learn from your mistakes. Leading and managing in action examples from the real world. Leadership and management skills are essential in various fields, from business and technology to healthcare and education. Here are a few real-world examples. Business. In a startup, the founder may be a visionary leader who inspires the team and secures funding. A skilled manager ensures efficient resource allocation, product development, and market launch. Technology. A tech company CEO might be a charismatic leader who sets the company's vision for innovation. A project manager ensures that software development projects are completed on time, within budget, and meet quality standards. Healthcare. A head surgeon might be a highly skilled leader who inspires confidence in their team during complex procedures. A hospital administrator manages resources, optimizes patient flow, and ensures the smooth running of the hospital. Education. A passionate teacher can be a leader in the classroom, inspiring students to learn and reach their full potential. A school principal manages the school budget, ensures curriculum compliance, and supports teachers in their professional development. These examples highlight how leadership and management skills are intertwined and essential for success in diverse fields. Your journey to success. Embrace both leadership and management. In conclusion, understanding the difference between leadership and management is crucial for individual and organizational success. Leaders inspire and motivate, while managers plan, organize, and execute. Both skill sets are essential and complement each other in achieving shared goals. By recognizing your strengths and developing both your leadership and management abilities, you can unlock your full potential and become a more valuable asset in any field. Seek opportunities to practice and refine these skills. Learn from experienced mentors, and embrace the journey of continuous growth. Remember, leadership and management are not mutually exclusive. By embracing both, you can inspire others, drive progress, and make a meaningful impact on the world around you. So, are you a leader or a manager, or can you transition between the two? If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and share with your family, colleagues, and friends. Let's make a difference today and inspire to lead, manage, and make a difference. See you next time.